Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi Poco C3 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera location tags at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button here to open it. And for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner to this button. When we tap on it, we get access to more options about the camera we can manage. Now let's move to the left to this button. When we pick it, we can open the advanced camera settings. From here let's just simply slide a little bit down to the general settings, and here at the second place we have save location info option, so by using this button we can easily turn it off and turn it on like that as we need, and this option allows us to save the information about the place where we take a picture in the details about it. Also here the important information is that to make it work correctly, when we want to save the actual location of our photo, we have to be connected with the internet, for example the Wi-Fi, and we have to turn on the location of this device. So remember about these two parameters to make it work. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.